What's up everybody, Ratchet Davo here for another video. I know it's been a while, but today I'm going to do a quick little install video. Shouldn't take long at all. This is my 2017 Yamaha FZ09, and today I'm going to be putting some frame sliders on it. Now, I went online and I was just looking through frame sliders, and there's expensive options and there's different kind of options. And I don't even know what the name of these are called, but it's a dual point style frame slider, whereas there could be a tri-point or just a single point frame slider. But basically all that's going to happen is on each side from these two make sure it's focused, from these two hex bolts, we're just going to install it right there, and it's going to be as easy as that. So all the bolts, I just pulled this one off. All the bolts for this is going to be an 8mm hex wrench. Now I'm just using a normal style. If it's really tight, I just use the secret method where I take a wrench to help as leverage, and I put it in between and I pull. Not difficult. So I got this first 8mm out. Now what they give me here are some spacers, and there's certain spacers for certain sides, obviously, but you're just going to go through, and I didn't get instructions because I bought this used, and I'm going to find the right bolts that are the perfect length and the right spacers to make it even, and that's pretty much it. Over here, and now I'm going to try to get the second one out. And what I meant by that little trick, just so that y'all could see what I was talking about, obviously with this little of leverage, it's very difficult to get that off. So all that I do is I take a wrench and I drop it. Hold on, let me get a better angle for you. All I do is I take a wrench and I put it like this over the hex wrench, and then I pull that way, and that gives me a little bit more leverage and it'll come loose. All right, so one side is done. All I did was mix and match the spacers that I needed and the bolt links that I needed, and it pretty much is like self-explanatory. It goes together the way you think it should. Only thing was this little radiator fan, or this radiator guard here, but aesthetically I like it because everything is blacked out on the lower portion of the bike and it looks good. So basically I'm going to do the same thing for the second side, but I'm not going to film it because it's all the same stuff. But 8mm bolts, proper spacers, and that's as easy as it gets to installing frame sliders on an FZ09. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.